What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto here, which has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours. Singularitynet, also known as Agix, AGIX, and as you can see, guys, it has pumped up quite a bit, not just in the last 24 hours, but over the last 48 hours has been quite volatile, moving in a positive direction. So we're going to be going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can this crypto go, and also looking at, is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Or should you just hold on to it? Or should you sell it if you're on a profit? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 0.07%, nothing major, and Singularity is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, in the last hour itself, it managed to gain 2%. Over the last 24 hours, 31%, over the week, 50%, and over the month, a massive 477% in a single month, guys, which is absolutely crazy. As you guys can see here, in a space of about 2 weeks since the start of Jan to January the 14th, it managed to gain over 450% itself. As you can see, it all started off about 5 cents, and right now it has gone over 5 times its value. So yeah, that's how well this crypto has been performing. But is it going to carry on like this for the rest of the year, or is it going to crash anytime soon? That's what a lot of people are concerned about. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 81% in the last 24 hours, making it $123 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Singularity, meaning a lot more people are trading the crypto right now. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, because obviously it's the amount of money is, not money, but the amount of percentages gained over the last 4 weeks is crazy. So it's only right people do get into it. But bear in mind, there are risks to it as well, because it's pumped up so much. It's very likely to start dropping down, but the question is, when is that going to be? So going into the main part of the video, we do have the candlestick pattern chart on the screen with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Singularity, which is just about 19 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here at 26 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line both heading upwards, looking very bullish, guys, and looking very steep. And again, as I've mentioned plenty of times before, whenever you see lines going in a steep direction, looking very, very steep, it's not realistic, and that is what applies here for Singularity. Again, the only reason why we're seeing steep lines is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. However, over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting it to slowly start to drop back down in value. So in the early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Singularity to have dropped back down to around the 22 cents target. Again, it's not going to be a major drop. It's going to be minimal drops in value. Do expect it to pump up to about 28 cents as well over the coming 2-3 hours before it starts to slowly dropping back down in value to around the 22 to 23 cents is what I'm expecting as of right now. But yeah, I am expecting this crypto to take a little dip in value. So for those of you who are into short-term trading, right now is a very risky time to get into the crypto. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, exact same. As you can see, the blue and the orange line are looking very bullish, going in a steep direction, meaning once again it is not realistic. However, over the coming days, so let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, I'm expecting the crypto to be more or less fluctuating around the 27 cents target. No major increase, but again, over the coming days, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value before it picks up in value again by early to mid next week, going up to about 27 cents. But again, it is going to drop in value over the next 24 to 48 hours before it picks up in value. So yeah, do expect it to drop back down in value over the coming 2-3 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, as you can see, we're looking much better now. No more steep lines, which means it's much more realistic. But we still got the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning increases in value are expected over the coming weeks from Singularity. So let's say over the next 6 to 8 weeks, late March, early April 2023, I'm expecting an overall increase in value, potentially heading to around the 40 cents target is what I'm expecting from this crypto. However, if it does manage to perform like it's been performing over the last 4 weeks, it should be easily able to hit the dollar mark over the next 6 to 8 weeks. However, hopefully that does not happen. Again, it's a good thing if it happens. However, guys, for the long term, it's not very good, because what it's likely to do after it pumps up to about the dollar in the space of about 6 to 8 weeks is very likely to drop back down in value quite heavily, meaning it's not going to be sustainable. I'd rather the crypto went up in value in a slow and steady pace, hitting about the dollar mark by mid-year is what I would say at the moment, especially the way it's been performing. As I mentioned earlier on in the video, I am expecting it to take a little step back because of the amount of value that is gained over the last 4 weeks is a bit overwhelming. So yeah, I'm expecting it to take a little step back. But yeah, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. And as you can see, this is very interesting, guys. We've literally broken out from the red zone officially on the 14th of January, which was about 2.5 weeks ago, and we've been trading in the green zone quite consistently. As you can see, we've been in and out the green zone over the last week or so, but we did manage to literally hit the resistance target here to head into the dark green zone, which is 27 cents, and that's pretty much where we're trading at the moment. However, because it's resisted, that's why I said do expect it to drop back down in value, and we may even see it drop back into the red zone over the coming days as well, meaning it's likely to drop below the 18 cents target before slowly and steadily gaining value. So yeah, at the moment it's going to be very volatile. So yeah, it's a risky time to invest, especially for the short term. But again, if you guys believe in it, think you can make some money, go for it. I'm not here to say invest or don't invest. I'm here to give you guys my prediction on cryptocurrencies. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, what I want you guys to do is in the comment section down below, is comment down below your end of year target for this crypto. What is the highest figure you guys predict Singularity will hit by the end of 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and all of that stuff, because I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year, and at the end of the day it's free to subscribe. So why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.